Are you a chocolate lover? Are you a brownie lover? Then let me show you how to make this easy peasy fudgy brownie recipe that you're going to love and everybody's going to love. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into the video of the day. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. Funmi here. So these are the list of ingredients we're going to need for this recipe. Also do check the description box below for the written recipe. So to start with, we're going to melt our chocolate and our butter. If you're new to my channel, I do want to welcome you. Thank you for stopping by, and before you leave, please be sure to become a part of this sweet community by clicking the subscribe button right now, and also give this video a big thumbs up and hit the bell notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. Please also go through my playlists to see other amazing recipes that I've shared that you're going to love, and please always give my videos a like, a big thumbs up so it can get to more people and my channel is going to grow that way. Thank you for the support, and thank you for always showing love to this channel as it motivates me to do more videos, to put out more content. So now our chocolate is melted. We're going to take it down from the heat and then we're going to proceed to the next step. So now we're going to get a clean bowl and then we're going to pour in our sugar and our brown sugar and our white sugar, and then followed by our eggs, and then we're going to beat this on a medium speed with our hand mixer, or you can use a hand whisk and beat this until it is very light and fluffy. So now we're going to add in our vanilla, and I forgot to add the salt at this point, but I added it with the flour. So our vanilla goes in and our salt. So you just whisk a little bit and then you fold with your spatula. Just scrape the sides and the bottom to be sure everything is well mixed. Next, we're going to add our melted chocolate and butter, and then we're going to mix this together. So now we're going to sift in our flour, cocoa powder and salt, and then we fold everything together. If you've watched up to this point and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for now? Please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because it's free. Please help this channel grow. Thank you. Now we're going to gently fold in our flour and cocoa powder until everything is well mixed in. At this point, your oven should have been preheated to 170 degrees Celsius and your pan lined and greased. So at this point, you can throw in whatever toppings you have, and I just decided to add my chocolate buttons that I just chopped up a little bit, and then I'm going to just fold it to incorporate everything together. And now we're going to get our lined and greased pan, and then we're going to pour in our batter and then spread it evenly. And I also went ahead to add little buttons on top of chocolate buttons on top of the batter. So after this, you're going to tap your pan on top of your work surface to release the bubbles that might be in the batter. Now we're going to bake in our preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. And now our brownie is ready. So you're just going to let this cool completely so you can cut it evenly. And now I'm just going to take off the parchment around the brownie, and then I'm going to cut them in equal sizes. And here is our double chocolate fudgy brownie. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and comment. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I hope you're inspired to try this recipe, and do let me know in the comment section when you do. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now and happy baking!